Hello there, crafty friends. It's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you some viewer submissions from the August 2019 Sheetload of Cards and let you know when you can expect the issue. I hope you'll stick around and join me for the video. Thanks so much for stopping by today. If this is your first time to my channel, I hope by the end of the video that you'll be inspired to hit that subscribe button below. And if you're already a regular viewer and subscriber, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. So it has been a little while since I've been here with a video, but I hope to take a little break in September, which I'll tell you more about later, and then come back with a more regular schedule starting in October. But what I want to do, since so many of you did create cards based on my August 2019 Sheetload of Cards, I wanted to stop by with the email submissions and the Instagram submissions. As always, if a subscriber played along on YouTube, I have a playlist linked in the description box below, and I will also pop that in the upper right hand corner now. So I hope you'll go watch those videos when you're done here. For my set of cards this month, this is what I created, and I will have this video, the process video, linked in the description box below as well if you want to check it out. This month's sheet load would yield you 6 cards, but it was also super easy to go ahead and make 12. You'll see as I show the viewer submissions that some just shared 1 card, some shared the 6, and some shared even more. Let's go ahead and see what everyone created. Weren't those all so fun to look at? I really liked how some of the viewers made it their own by either flipping the sketch, or sometimes they would move the focal point a different place in the card. Like I think it was Elaine had it right in the middle going up and down. So I like to provide just the idea, and when you make it your own, it's so nice to see. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I have some updates on SheetLoad of Cards. Usually today would be the day that I was here with a new issue to share what I made and how to download the file, but, and I forget this every year, back to school time is crazy. Not only do I have to get my daughter ready to go, but I also have to get myself ready to go back to school, kind of get into the groove of things. So I have not been good about crafting or really about anything around my house, including laundry, which I will be doing about 10 loads tomorrow. But what I'm hoping to do is kind of just relax the month of September, get my house in order, get the next sheet load all prepared, because I really thought I would be back with the sheet load, but it takes me hours and hours to create the file and get the samples and stuff ready, and I just didn't have it this month. So I hope that you'll understand that and stick with me for the next sheet load, because I do already have the sketch and I have the ideas, and I think it's going to be a fun one. So again, I'll be kind of taking a little break in September. I will be back in a couple days to help a friend celebrate her 50th birthday, and then I do plan on coming back on the 15th for the Oh So Inspired collaboration. So again, thank you for bearing with me, and until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye.